I am so bored today. Oh, I see a cliff over there. I'm going to jump over it. I actually meant I'm going to jump off of it. Got it? Good. Alright. Okay, cool Chuck, what are you doing here? I work as a therapist now. Weird. Anyway, I'm gonna jump off. Toodles! Ah! Looks like he committed it self-deleting. Well, that didn't work at all. I'm gonna go talk to my friends. Hey guys, what are you up to now? Not much, you f***ing weirdo. What did you say? You said the F-bomb. No I didn't. Yeah, I clearly said Bluebird. Toucan. Wow, these three really have a swearing problem. We have got to stop them. Red, you're a freaking piece of bitch. What did you say? You're a Stop swearing, please. Alright, guys, settle down, please. You're a piece of dookie. Oh, that's even worse than the F-bomb. Oh. Oops. Say, you wanna come inside my Chuck, what are we gonna do? I think we have to go to a therapist or something. Alright, let's go, I guess. Guys, I'm literally over here, you Oh, I didn't see you there. Anyways, let's go. Do we really have to go? Yes, it's important. Fine. When everybody got there... So what seems to be the problem here? These three... Get up. Alright. So, what were you saying again? These three have a swearing problem, and I don't know what to do. Well, I could give you some tips on to solve that. Oh, please, tell me right now. Okay, tip number 1. Replace the swear word with a word that it's not terrible. Oh, okay, I could try that. Hey, Toucan, you're a piece of salami. I guess that works. Step 2. Try to control your anger. Alright, that's simple enough. Hey, Bluebird, you're a child. I'm not a child, you friggin'... Okay, calm down. As long as you don't throw a tantrum, you'll be fine. See, you did it. Alright, tip 3. Go to a car. Actually, steal someone's car and throw it into a ditch. That's it? Yes. I'll give you some more advice tomorrow. You're actually pretty useful. I know. That's why I treat most of my students like that. This is not school. It's a freaking therapy room. Oh. Anyways, you can go now. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's time to look up some stuff. So guys, have you heard anything from the therapist? I think I did. Now I'm gonna test it out. Hey, Bluebird. You're a bitch. It basically said to replace those swear word with a good word that is not evil. I forgot. You're stupid. What? Okay, that sounds kind of racist. Look who's talking. This episode is literally just dark humor. I don't like it. Don't worry, next episode we will finally get rid of the dark humor once and for all. But first we gotta go to that car over there. Alright, we gotta cue the animation, I guess. Let's go! Wait for me! Wait, before we do that, we must get some fresh air. That's boring. Hey, cool Chuck. Hello. What are you doing here? I don't know, I've just been looking on the computer and then I got bored, so I decided to go outside. You're a What? Never mind. Where did my headband go? It's right over there. Thanks. I'll put it on later. Well, what are we gonna do now? I guess we better walk somewhere.
Come on, guys, follow me.
Let's go, I guess. Watch me do a roly-poly.
Wee.
That's more like a cartwheel or whatever. This feels like a secret door. I want to open it. Never mind, we're not doing that. What? Is there something that you don't want to reveal to us? It's not even mine, you freak. Yeah, maybe let's not do that. Whatever you say. Wait, why is he levitating? I don't know. Rapper, what are you doing? I'm just laying down. There's no grass for some reason. It's just dirt. I don't know why. I'm just gonna lay down as well. Me too. Wait for me! Alright, I'm bored. Let's go. Let's actually... Wait, I think we still have a couple 2 minutes left. What, the video has to be over 7 minutes long? Of course you... Yeah, of course. Alright, let's go, I guess.
Shall we go for that car crash?
Yeah, but I call shotgun. You don't want to drive? No, I'm saying that I want to drive. Let's go, I guess.
I'm really curious on what's going to happen.
Don't worry, it won't be that bad. Oh, hey, Gold Chuck. Hey, Corman. Hey, Pig.
Hi, guys. Well,
let's talk about something. What are we gonna talk about then? Let's talk about... I don't know, let's talk about random stuff. Wait, guys, did you know that there's one person in the world who knows math? Or there's like so many mathematicians right there over in the earth. Yeah, I know, I was trying to pull a trick on you guys. I'm not stupid, for your information. I want to join the conversation too.
alright, I guess we can have a fourth-person conversation, I guess.
That's awesome. Also, before you guys are wondering, yes, we're gonna have the car crash scene. Just give us a second.
Mickey, you're cold and you're too fast.
Ha! Die, fuckers.